0.1 mile right on Metropolitan Avenue.
It's probably this little sign right here. Is this one way?
Nope.
Okay.
But it's, boy, is it narrow.
Well, that was me. I was a little tight on the wheel.
200 feet left into probably the parking deck. I have no idea if we have to pay or not. Don's down here for me to take a picture and for you guys to get to see the Charlotte Supercharger, who's being a really good sport right now. So let him know in the comments you appreciate it. Actually, it looks like it's shopping, so maybe you don't have to pay. There's like a Target here and stuff. So the Supercharger, with the picture that I saw, it's like up. Up. It's definitely where you can see the skyline, so you got to figure out how to go up. I don't know where.
Upper levels.
Upper levels is where we want to go. The Supercharger is definitely up based on what I saw on Facebook.
All right.
But here's an example where we're trying to find this thing and we have no
no clue.
No additional instructions. Like once you enter the parking deck, we could be driving around for a few minutes. I would just keep going up. This is on the top. I mean, really, it's the best spot in the deck because you got a view of the city. Oh, there they are. There they are.
Oh, God.
I told you.
Ye of little faith. I was like, I don't know, sweetie.
And there's, you know, downtown. So you have to park on the far wall to get the background of the city and Jules in the shot. So please shoot back in over here.
There somewhere. Well, they're all version 3. So
they are. It is version 3. Yeah, you don't have to worry about parking next to somebody. They'll just have to understand. When you see an A, B, C, and a D, you know you're at version 3.
Yeah.
I'll let Dawn back in on Dawn and Marianne here at the brand new Metropolitan Supercharger in Charlotte, North Carolina.
Uptown Charlotte, North Carolina.
That's right, uptown.
Not downtown, uptown.
There's 16 version 3 stalls here, including one pull-in.
Yep. And
boy, does it have a view. It has a fantastic view. So come at night if you can.
It is open 20. The security guard, we talked to Eric. He was very helpful. It is open, technically open 24 hours to come up here, but he says it's 7 o'clock. This building closes, and you could go into this building, but you have to go down one stairs. You can't go in through this door. You
got to take the elevator down to the 5th floor and then go into the building for the bathrooms.
This door has badge access. The next door does not have badge access, and the restrooms, both men's and women's, is to the right. You just go in. And the stores, Best Buy, Marshalls, is, you know, this
Target is here.
Big shopping. This parking deck's part of a very large shopping area, but all those stores are going to kind of close
starting around 8 p.m.
You know, showing up here at 2 o'clock in the morning, even though you could charge, is probably not.
No bathroom.
Yeah. And they have plenty of security.
Eric cameras everywhere. Security guard walking the premises, and there's an emergency call box over there by the elevators. Trash cans.
Yeah.
Eric says, please put your trash in the trash can. Yeah. So, anyway, happy supercharging.
Yes, Don and Marianne, and now you know.
So there's a Trader Joe's here also. Cava, which I don't know what that is. And there's Wendy's. And Petco next to Target. The entrance to Best Buy is on the 1st floor. I think Marshall's is on the 2nd or 3rd floor.
Yep.